Hello guys, my name is Lorenzo. Welcome to my new YouTube channel. Today I will talk about 5 things to do if you want to successfully make money on Fiverr. First of all, please excuse my accent. I'm French, that's why I talk like that, but hopefully you will understand everything that I say. Just to give you a bit of background about myself, I'm a graphic designer, and a few years ago I was trying to get into a design studio. It didn't really work and I needed to pay my bills. So on this side, I was like, okay, I'll just jump on this platform called Fiverr.com and hopefully I'll get a few clients. I totally failed. It didn't work. I tried again a few months after and it did work. So I'm doing this video to show you guys the things to do if you want to successfully make money on Fiverr.com. And as we speak, I just made more than $10,000 on Fiverr after roughly 7 months. So I guess that I know what I'm talking about.
Yeah!
So first of all, you need to be very honest about the services that you can actually offer on Fiverr. A lot of people jump on this platform and just pick some random services. Clients are not stupid. They can know if you're actually good at what you're doing or not. So please take some time, make a list of the stuff that you're very good at, and then if you feel like this is something that you can offer as a service on a professional level, go for it. The second thing is that you need to find a niche. You know, Fiverr is a very crowded marketplace. Like, there's literally people that can do everything that you can think about. If you're looking for someone to do a design for you, a logo design for you, you'll end up finding roughly more than 200 people that do that. If you want to be another drop in the sea, that's fine. But if you really want to differentiate yourself from the rest, I urge you to find your niche. It's very important. After finding your niche, it's very important to know how to price your services. One of the big mistakes that I made when I first jumped on that platform was to think that I could just put any random price on my services, and this is not right. You need to actually research your competition and you need to see the kind of price that they put, and if you're very good, you can align yourself on those kind of prices. Or as someone who just jumped on that platform, you can price yourself a little bit lower than the competition. After that, you need to be very serious about the reason why you are on Fiverr. What I mean by that is that, you know, Fiverr is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It doesn't work like that. And when I first got on that platform, I thought that it was the case. It's definitely not. I think that it took me roughly 5 months to get my first order on Fiverr, and after that things just took off. So you need to be really serious about why you are on that platform and about the services that you actually offer. There's 4 things that Fiverr use to evaluate your profile. The first one is your response rate. The second one is your completion rate. The third one is your delivery rate, and the fourth one is your rating. The amount of reviews that you have. The last thing to do to successfully make money on Fiverr is to be patient. Good things come to those who wait. Again, Fiverr is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Nothing works like that anyway. You need to be super patient. It took me a lot of time to get my first order, and after that, things just took off. So be very patient. Make sure to constantly come back on that platform to see what other people are doing and to see how your services are doing against the other services. And if there's anything else that you wish to know about Fiverr, make sure to write these things down in the comment section and I'll make sure to do a video about that. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I wish you best of luck with Fiverr, and I really hope that you will make money on that platform as I did. Thank you, guys.